In this walkthrough, I'll show you Ordoro's barcode scanning flow for order verification. I'll start with this order and print a pick list. On the top of the pick ticket, there is a barcode. This barcode is Ordoro's internal identifier for the order number. Ordoro knows which order this barcode belongs to, and it knows which products and quantities should be included in that order. The pick ticket travels with the box. Imagine an open box with the products inside, and the pick ticket is also inside the box. The way this flow works is that the quality control person takes the pick ticket and scans the barcode. When that barcode is scanned, Ordoro brings up the Scan Verify view for that specific order. Since I do not have a barcode scanner connected for this demo, I'll walk through it manually. But once the barcode is scanned, Ordoro switches into Scan Verify mode. It knows exactly which order was scanned, and it knows exactly which products are supposed to be in the box. Each product can have its own UPC code or SKU. The next step is to scan each product in the box. As each product is scanned, Ordoro matches it against what is supposed to be in the order. When the correct product is scanned, Ordoro marks it as verified. If there are still more items to scan, Ordoro keeps track of what is remaining. If the wrong product is scanned, Ordoro will show an error letting the user know the wrong product was scanned. If not enough items are scanned, Ordoro will show that more items still need to be verified. Once everything has been scanned correctly, the order is marked as verified. In this case, Ordoro is asking to print the shipping label, but the label could also have been printed beforehand. From here, I can choose Verify Another Order, and Ordoro goes back into scan mode for the next order. So the quality control person can keep moving order by order, scanning the pick ticket, verifying the products inside the box, closing that order, and then moving on to the next one. Another helpful part of this workflow is the order timeline. Every time someone works on an order, Ordoro logs that action below it. The timeline shows exactly which user took which action. In this example, I am the quality control person, so the timeline shows that I verified the contents. The benefit is that if your packing error rate suddenly goes up, or customers start reporting that they received the wrong products, you can go back historically and see who touched the order. You can see who modified it, who picked it, who packed it, who verified it, and who created the shipping label. All of that information is logged behind the scenes. That makes it easier for the business owner or warehouse manager to debug the issue and figure out what happened. It could be a training issue, or it could be something else in the process that needs to be fixed. Ordoro keeps track of all of that.